this will be the affordable wig style of the month for me. It is a longer shag style cut. It has a super light density. I'm absolutely thrilled. There's no frills on this cap. It's just a completely open style cap. This is in their Orchid collection. And this one's called Jan in Sandy Mink. So I want to talk with you about that today. Now I'll go ahead and put up the measurements and things on the side, but really what I want to talk about the most is these bangs and how it fits in with the style. So those bangs are just perfect. It's a light wispy, kind of a dirty cut bang that blends into the sides. It really accents this shag style beautifully. I think that's probably around 3.5 to 4 inches on the bangs. It has kind of a retro flair to it, but if you like longer styles like this, definitely consider this one for the bangs and for the price tag. Now, prices are subject to change, of course. And I was lucky enough to grab this one on clearance, but this Jan is just so terrific. And it looks completely natural. I think that's because even though there is a modest amount of permatease, it's not overdone, especially right there at the temple. So we want to tuck shag styles. They look so cute when they're tucked. Now, a lot of you are going to love this Sandy Mink, by the way. I've explored it one other time in the past, but it's a nice neutral to ash blonde. So you're going to see a base color of like a medium to dark ash blonde. There's a little bit of sandy tones to it. Not enough to warm this up though. And then you're going to see some platinum or some light platinum ash blonde in there as well. So I'll put up an inside look at the cap here. This one fits me very well. Again, just a machine made cap all the way around. I'm getting some really nice coverage despite the fact that the ear tabs are very small here. If this were a pixie, I might have some trouble, but because there's enough fiber to sweep over, I'm getting some really nice coverage. Look at all these flips and waves. Now, one thing that you're gonna notice here too is that it's a very light natural density. Those fibers are just impossibly fine, yet it still has a bit of bounce to it. That's gonna give it a natural movement. I love all the flips and bends. So as you get farther down, you're gonna see the flip ups. I think that's very flirty and casual looking, with the flexibility of bangs and without the heaviness of similar styles that we've seen out there. So let's put it up in a ponytail. I suspect that it's going to look fantastic and very cute with a pony. It is just darling and the price is right. Thank you everybody for watching today. We'll see you again right back here at TAZ's Wig Closet.